Hello everyone! For today's video ay kung paano natin gamitin ang ating GCash Visa Card sa ATM machine. Ang gagawin natin dito ay balance inquiry at withdrawal sa 7-Eleven ATM machine. But before that, tumutok lang dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, kung ikaw po ay bago lang dito sa channel at hilig mo ang ganitong mga online tutorials and online tips, pakiclick ang subscribe button and the notification bell. At nang sa ganoon ay maging updated ka po sa mga bagong online tips and tutorials na kagaya nito. Bago po pala kayo makapag-withdraw sa ATM machine gamit ang GCash Visa Card, make sure that your GCash Visa Card is linked to your GCash account. And you have enough funds in your GCash account for the withdrawal amount plus the applicable ATM fees, and make sure guys that your GCash Visa card is not expired and your ATM PIN is the same as your nominated 6-digit GCash Visa card PIN. Pakatatandaan po natin na magkaiba po ang MPIN sa ating GCash account at GCash Visa card PIN. Okay, kung ready na po tayo, pumunta po tayo sa pinakamalapit na 7-Eleven na may ATM machine. Ang 7-Eleven ATM machine po also support BancNet transaction. Okay? And then kapag nakita na natin ang kanilang ATM machine, i-insert na po natin ang ating GCash Visa card and make sure po na ganito yung position ng GCash Visa card natin, nauuna po yung kanyang chip. Then maghintay po tayo ng ilang sandali kasi our chip card is being processed. Then mag-enter po tayo ng 6-digit personal identification number or PIN. At maghintay po ulit tayo dahil pinaprocess pa po ang ating transaction. Okay, mag-select po tayo ng desired transaction. Kung hindi nyo pa po alam ang inyong balance, to make sure that you have enough fund, press balance inquiry. And the machine will charge 2 pesos for this transaction. Okay, then press natin tong yes. And then choose the proper key for our desired from account. Ang ating GCash Visa card po ay savings account. Okay, malalaman na po natin ang ating available balance. Okay, dahil tayo ay mag-withdraw, if you would like to do another transaction, just press yes. Then select po natin tong withdraw cash. Okay, the charge fee is 18 pesos for this transaction. Okay, and then press po natin tong yes. And then mag-enter po ulit tayo ng ating 6-digit PIN. Then press savings. At maglagay na po tayo ng desired amount to withdraw. And press confirm. Okay, kung gusto nyo po pala ng resibo, you can choose no if ayaw nyo po. Yes if gusto nyo po. Okay, ako po ay yes. At maghihintay naman tayo ng ilang sandali because our transaction is being processed. Okay? And then after po may lumabas na ganito, ay kunin na natin ang ating GCash card. And then kunin na din natin ang ating cash and the transaction record. Okay, may matatanggap din po pala tayo guys na text messages from GCash about sa 2 pesos fee for balance inquiry transaction and withdrawal transaction. Kapag ni-open naman natin ang ating GCash account, ay makikita natin ang ating ginawang transaction using our GCash Visa card. So hanggang dito na lang po itong video. Sana po ay nakatulong po ako sa inyo. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood. God bless and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!